Hello friends, in this session I am going to demonstrate polymorphism in Java. So what is meant by polymorphism in Java? So polymorphism is nothing but single name multiple form or single entity which has different purposes. Okay, so for example in real life we are using gear. Okay, while driving a car or while driving a vehicle we are using a getting gear device. So we are using that gear device for moving our car or vehicle forward, backward, as well as left direction, right direction. So we are using that gear stick or gear device for different purposes. Okay, so you can find there are many applications of this polymorphism concept in real life. Okay, so in the same way Java has polymorphism concept. So polymorphism concept, it is one of the main feature of object oriented programming languages. Okay, so you can find this in C++, Java, C# languages. So this is polymorphism. So there are two type of polymorphism in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism is method overloading, or that is achieved by using method overloading concept in Java, and runtime polymorphism is achieved by using method overriding in Java. So in this session we are going to see method overloading. Okay, so method overloading or compile time polymorphism in Java. So what is meant by method overloading? So method overloading, that is class level concept. So consider I want to perform addition of 2 number, addition of 3 number, and addition of 4 number. So in C we don't have this concept. So what you need to do, you need to create 3 different functions and their name should be different. Though you are performing same operation addition, you should take different name for these 3 different functions. Getting? So that will create the problem for readability. So we can't give same name for these 3 different functions. Getting? Though we are performing the same operation. So in C++, Java we have the feature called method overloading. So by which we can create 3 different functions, okay, for performing same operation. So we can keep the same name as we are performing the same operation, that is addition. So we can create 3 different function by keeping the same name, but they should be differentiated, okay, by changing either the number of argument or by changing their data type of arguments. Okay, so what we can do, we can create 3 different functions by keeping the same name, but we can differentiate the parameters. Okay, so we can achieve this method overloading either by changing the number of parameters or by changing the data type of those parameters, and we can keep the same name for function. So let us see the Java program for method overloading. Okay, so just I have created one file. Class name is overload. Then your main method public static void main args. Now I'm going to perform addition operation. So what I will do, I will take 3 functions for addition, and these 3 function will take, first function will take 2 input, and what I am going to do, I am going to simply perform the addition there. So system.out.println, and I'm going to perform the addition. So n1 plus n2. So see, these are the formal parameters, n1 and n2, these are the formal parameters. So I will take 3 functions, 3 add functions. Here I will change, or I will differentiate them by changing the number of parameters. So for a second function I have 3 inputs, For third function, I have 4 inputs. So our job is same. Our job is addition. So first function will perform addition of 2 numbers, second will perform addition of 3 number, and third function will perform addition of 4 number. So see, our operation is same, addition. So what we have done, we have kept the same name for these 3 functions and we have differentiated them by changing the number of parameters. So this is one method. Getting? So how to call these methods? So see, as main is static method, okay, and these 3 add functions or these 3 add methods, they are non-static. So you know that non-static reference can't be accessed directly in static reference. So you should call them by creating an object of class in which those methods have defined. So create object of method. Sorry, create object of class. So O1 is object of overload class. So why we are creating object of overload? Because inside overload class we have defined those methods and call them o1 dot add o1 dot add and simply give input. Now see, while calling these methods you should give different input. That means, see, for calling this method you should give 2 input. So here compiler will check here, as you are giving 2 inputs, so this method will be called because there are 2 formal parameters. Whenever this method will be called 3 inputs, so this will call this method, and whenever you call this method, this will give call to this method. Getting? So just save this file with .java extension. And let us compile this. Java C overload. Okay, so it got compilation is successful, and just run this. So see, you got output 30, 60 and 100. So what you can do, you can also do the formatting like this. So addition is I am simply designing my output. Addition of 2 number is 3. Okay, so let us compile it again. Run. So you got addition of 2 number is 30, addition of 3 number is 16, addition of 4 number is 100. Getting? So you got your output. So see, this is compile time polymorphism, or it is method overloading. So see, here we have kept the same name for 3 methods, but we have differentiated them by changing the number of argument. So here 2 argument, here 3 argument, here 4 argument. This is one method for method overloading. Getting? You can also achieve method overloading by changing the data type of these arguments, or you can differentiate these methods by changing the data type of argument. So we'll see this in next session. Thank you for watching Programming in My Way. So if you like this video, then please like, share and comment to my YouTube channel Programming in My Way. Thank you.